Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at a cryptocurrency that makes transfers between blockchains a lot simpler. And so that's a very complicated thing, especially if you're new to crypto, is trying to figure out how to get your cryptocurrencies to different blockchains, whether that's going from Ethereum to Solana or Solana to AVAX. And so I'm going to be showing you a tool that simplifies that. And so if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for future content. And then while you are down there, make sure to check out the link down below to MEXC. There is currently a promotion going on that you can earn a $200 future bonus. And so just by signing up and depositing $100, and so the less people that sign up for this promotion here, your odds are going to be better at earning that $200. So definitely make sure to check that out. There is also a link underneath the video to Margex if you're interested in leverage trading. So let's go ahead and take a look at the cryptocurrency we're going to be looking at today. And so as I mentioned, cross-chain swaps can be very difficult, right? And so a lot of the cryptocurrencies are fragmented. The applications are all built on the one blockchain. Say for Ethereum, there's a bunch of different cryptocurrencies built on that. However, there's other cryptocurrencies launching on new ecosystems, especially a lot on Solana because of the reduced fees. And so it looks something like this over here, right? We have Ethereum, we have Polygon, we have AVAX, and then we have Solana. We have all these different blockchains. And if you're buying cryptocurrencies on the blockchain, you can't just take your Ethereum and go ahead and buy Solana. And so it can be very complex. You're not sure what tool to use to try to move the crypto from one blockchain to the next blockchain to buy that specific cryptocurrency. And so the tool I'm going to be talking about today is ChainSwap here. And so this is a cross-chain swap that is utilizing Chainlink's CCIP technology. And so a very trusted cryptocurrency. And so we can see here, they're also focusing on the cross-chain swaps as well as privacy. And so I think that's very good in the cryptocurrency space. And so you can see some of the projects that have been integrated into the cross-chain swap ecosystem. We have Avalanche, Ethereum, Polygon, Arbitrum, Optimism, Base, and BNB Chain. And so a lot of those are some of the main ecosystems out there that you would be looking to swap to. And so we can see this breaks down barriers with interoperability without compromising your privacy. And so as I mentioned, this is using Chainlink's cross-chain interoperability protocol, CCIP, that was launched by Chainlink. Now Chainlink is a very well-known and trustworthy cryptocurrency. And so if they are using that, I would trust that this is going to be a very good cross-chain network for swapping between the different blockchains. Now we also have Circle as well. Now they're using CCTP for swaps between Circle's USDC. And so again, they're using Circle here and Chainlink, which are two well-known cryptocurrency projects. However, make sure to do your own research into this. They are a partner of the channel. And so let's go ahead and take a look here at ChainSwap on Twitter. They do have a competition going on right now where they're going to be giving away $10,000. And so this is very easy to participate. You just need to publish a thread on X about ChainSwap and the groundbreaking Chainlink CCIP technology that they are building. So there's some other rules down here below in this tweet, and I will be posting this underneath the video. Now this may only take you 10 to 15 minutes to do, and it may be worth getting a portion of that $10,000 of Chainlink, since the value of Chainlink could go up exponentially over the next couple of years. And so one other thing I want to note here is that ChainSwap is willing to work with you, right? So things can fail. Transactions cannot go through due to insufficient liquidity being removed or the trading being stopped on the target token during the transaction. So don't worry, they have you covered, right? And so this isn't something that you always see in the cryptocurrency space, right? You always see warnings that say, hey, if you send this to the wrong blockchain, you can lose all of your money. And just more warning signs to make sure that you're double checking. However, they're not going to cover you if you send it to the wrong blockchain. But you can see here that the transactions, once they've been approved and confirmed, all assets will be converted into USDC within the CCIP contract, and the transaction will begin processing. This is due to Chainlink's facilitating USDC transfers to most available EVM chains. And so if you have a failed transaction, you can go ahead and go through this process for recovery. So I think that's something very beneficial to using ChainSwap. Now they also have a token of their own here that launched as well. This launched on March 8th, and you can see it's currently trading around a $13.7 million market cap, trading around 1.3 cents currently. And so there is potential for this, especially as more people start to use ChainSwap. And so if we go ahead and take a look at their tokenomics here, we can see this is a utility token that was launched with a fair and transparent approach. 100% of the tokens will go into the liquidity pool with no additional minting. So no team tokens are withheld, showing the team's commitment to transparency and community involvement. And so that's very good to see. 100% of the tokens will be out there. We have sustainable transaction taxes, so there is going to be a 5% tax applied to both buy and sell transactions to support the long-term viability of ChainSwap ecosystem. And then using the decentralized application that they have built, there will be a usage fee of 0.5% per transaction that is also applied. And so we can see here that 75% of the transaction fees will be used to buy back CSWAP tokens from the market and permanently remove them from circulation. And so if a lot of people are using this ChainSwap for interoperability between chains, there could be a lot of utilization, and that could start driving up the price, since this will create deflationary tokenomics for CSWAP. And so we can see the other 25% will be holder redistribution. This portion of the fee is distributed proportionally to all token holders who own more than 0.5% of the total supply, rewarding long-term commitment and incentivizing holding ChainSwap token. And so there you can see that they are trying to keep the project very sustainable and funding development. So that's something that I think is very beneficial. They're not taking advantage. They want the project to succeed and be sustainable for the long term. And so in addition to being able to swap between blockchains, they're also focusing on privacy. And so we can see here that they are working on enhancing the functionality utilizing a privacy mixer, which means that the transactions are not going to be able to be tracked. People will not be able to see that you moved it from wallet A to wallet B, or maybe from wallet B to an exchange to cash out. Now, people do not know what wallet belongs to you. However, they could follow the cash going from wallet to wallet, where if you're utilizing ChainSwap here, you will not be able to track that. They are using a privacy mixer to mix up the transactions, so then you cannot see where the money is going from wallet to wallet. And so you can see that on the website here as well, that they are utilizing cross-chain swap and a privacy mixer to break down the barriers with interoperability without compromising your privacy. So this is definitely something I like to see, right? A lot of people really don't want their transactions to be tracked, right? Or if a scammer finds your wallet, they're not able to track where you're moving the funds to and then try to compromise that wallet address. So definitely something very beneficial in the cryptocurrency space. So in addition to that, as I mentioned, they're also using cross-chain by Chainlink. So this is CCIP protocol. And so this is a very trustworthy cryptocurrency here. And so we can see as well that they have utilized ANZ Bank successfully demonstrated cross-chain tokenized asset settlement with Chainlink CCIP. And so it's not like cross-chain swap's the only one using CCIP network. However, I think it's very beneficial to see that they are working with Chainlink and then working with Circle. I think that creates a lot of trust in using this cross-chain swap protocol. Now, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And also check out those links underneath the video to MEXC or Margex if you're interested in signing up for another trading platform. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.